Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a very quick video to share a bullet journal technique that I've been using for a little while and that really works well for me. I haven't really seen it anywhere else, but of course, if I've missed it, please leave a comment below. And I do want to give credit to whoever came up with it. But as far as I know, this is something I've just done on my own. So what I call this is the master, I guess the floating master task list. And I'm going to explain real quick why I call it that. The idea is that from what I've seen, the bullet journal system generally has task lists that are either tied to a month or to a week sometimes. And what I like to do is keep more of a running task list because I find myself adding things throughout the month and throughout the weeks, and also checking things off pretty quickly, and it starts getting a little bit cluttered. So that's why I call it the floating master task list. It kind of floats in my bullet journal wherever I need it to be. And the idea is, so I have this one task list where everything, reminders, tasks, notes, everything that I need to know at any given point or have as a reference is sort of on that one spread. So you'll see I'm kind of drafting up a quick spread here that with categories that are useful for me. And the specific format and layout does not matter. So just whatever works for you, whatever makes sense for you. But the idea is, so I write everything down, and this page is what is currently relevant in my life. And then I basically redo it whenever I need to. So usually when it starts feeling a little cluttered or a large number of the tasks are no longer relevant or have been checked off. And I generally leave one bookmark on this page and one on my daily page, and kind of change the bookmark as I make new pages. Um, and as you can see, I keep mine pretty minimal and functional because I do end up doing one of these. I mean, it varies depending on how busy my life is right then, but sometimes every week or, every couple weeks. So I don't want to spend a ton of time on each spread. So I keep it pretty minimal. Anyway, I think that's the basic idea. If there's any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the comments or in future videos, but just wanted to share that very quickly with all of you. All right, hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.